You know, sometimes we get so caught up trying to make a recipe a little different that we forget that many of the best dishes are the most basic ones. That's why today I want to share with you a good old-fashioned coleslaw that has stood the test of time. We start by cutting a head of cabbage into quarters and removing the core. Now we place it flat side down on a cutting board. This way it won't wobble when we cut it. Then with a sharp knife, we carefully shred it. If you want, you could even make this with a bag of pre-shredded cabbage right from the market. Either way, we add a shredded carrot along with thinly cut strips of green pepper. Now for the part that makes this all come together, we combine some mayonnaise, lemon juice, a bit of sugar, and a little salt. After mixing it, we toss this with the cabbage. I actually learned that the key to making really good coleslaw is to mix it with your hands. But that's up to you. After it's chilled, it's ready to serve with any of our summertime favorites. What makes this so good is that it has just the right balance of tartness to creaminess. As always, the recipe for our country coleslaw is online now. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found an old-fashioned way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Yummy.